Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Star Wars the Acolyte theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram and click on Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram application, you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation. Click on the person name on the top. From here, you need to click on theme and select Star Wars the Acolyte. Wait for a few seconds. And now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.